Hi dear colleagues. Today I want to tell you about this new course we started recently. It's called EXTRAwear. And really it is about the simplification of full mouth rehabilitation. Of course, cases of severe wear and bio-corrosion, as you know, nowadays something very common, are the best examples on how to manage these so-called complex situations. But if you look at it with our EXTRAwear approach, using technology, using digital design, opening the bite and deprogramming the patient to get this new position that will facilitate your treatment, and then using printed mock-ups, full mouth, to place the patient in this new so-called white bite. Complicated cases can become extremely simple. I think after taking this course, you will actually love full mouth rehab rather than be skeptical or scared by them.